So today's job in the jungle of steel is to get all this stuff down. So it's been about 2 weeks now, so it's safe to take down the supports, which is a good thing for us because it means the concrete's basically dry and it will support its own weight. It's a little bit precarious taking it down though, because once the supports come down, then the beams come down a little bit, and then we have to pry out the boards. But it's working. And now we have a space for a staircase. Oh dear. So lifted all the metal out, all the supporting posts, and now the rooms are looking a little bit more like cellar spaces, so that's pretty good. Just got a ton of wood to hoist out with a crane, and then we've got to build it on the next level. So all this stuff here we're going to have to build up again. I look forward to that. It's a lot of repetitive steps this week. I am a dusty man. Well, we managed to get everything out of the cellar. Hard work, but we did it. And there's something about the cellar that I should point out to you at this point. I got some good comments about it being a bit like a bunker. Maybe more like a tomb. We'll see. Because we didn't have many windows. We've only got 2 windows in there, of course. But you can see here the depth of it. And we have some restrictions on how far out of the ground we can build. And one of them is because we have up the hill here a small stream, and that stream poses a flood risk. Not a high one, but still a risk. And so the governmental body in charge of that has told us, well, you can't come too high out, you can't have too many windows, and so on. So that's why we've opted anyway to just have 2 at the back. What you see here is not the original, or it won't be the future level of the ground. This is the original level here where this grass is. But basically we're going to have to come up much higher on this side and bring the level of the land up anyway. So these windows are actually going to be underground when it comes to it. And any other window on the hillside would be like even deeper underground. And when they're underground, you have to have, you know, like reinforced concrete to hold back the earth, and then it's a question of how much light do you actually get in anyway. So these are restrictions. It would have been nicer to have more windows, that's for sure, but if there was any chance of flooding, flood water coming in this side, go straight through and run out the back windows, which wouldn't be great for anybody. And yeah, so we're going to have to live with the darkness, or maybe just install some lights in the cellar, and then it will be it will be good anyway. We'll just have some nice, I was thinking about like using some of the old windows from the old shed and that, and making it, you know, with LEDs or something. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see later on when we get to that. But yeah, tomorrow start building the stuff up again. So I'm just going to measure the supports because they've all got to be exactly, well, I'll show you. One board goes on the top, and then the second board goes like across from this one to the next one. And so, and then we've got 3 centimeter boards that go on top of that. So basically that all has to measure up to the top, so we don't have too much concrete. So that's what I'm doing basically. Mathematics is not my strong point, but I'm basically 20 centimeters plus 3 is 23 on top of this one, so it should be fine. I'll get it checked, don't worry. Hey folks, just wanted to say I appreciate your comments, and I'll try to reply to them as soon as I can. Not always easy, but yeah, keep them coming. It's good, it keeps me on my game to remember what actually to put in the videos. You know, it can be a little bit difficult when you're in the middle of building to remember, I should film that, or I should turn the camera on, or I should remember to charge the camera. Those kind of things can be a little bit challenging at times. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.